Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can start investing in pretty much any cryptocurrency that you can think of right from your phone. There are literally thousands of crypto exchanges worldwide, so it can be pretty tough to differentiate those that are actually legit from those that are just complete scams. So I'm going to show you 3 different options that are all very beginner friendly, but not only are they easy to use, they're also very secure, so you're not going to have to worry about getting hacked or companies stealing your information or anything sketchy like that. So throughout the video, I'll show you exactly what these platforms look like and explain all of the fees that are associated with them to kind of give you a side-by-side comparison so that you can have a better idea of which one is going to work best for you. So make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you do find any value throughout this video, and let's jump into option number 1. All right, so the first one on the list is Coinbase, and this is probably the most popular option, especially for beginners because they have a very user-friendly platform and it kind of gives you like a Robinhood feel except for cryptocurrency. So if you were to create an account with Coinbase and log in for the first time, this is how the platform is set up and this is how it would look if you were to use their app. So on the main screen, you'd be able to see your account balance, and then right below it, you can build a watch list as well as look at the top movers on the day. And then if we scroll down a little bit, there is a news section, which is very similar to Robinhood that is updated daily. So then once you actually wanted to buy or sell something, you just click on this blue button with the arrows on the bottom screen, select buy, and then click on whatever coin you want. And then all you have to do from there is type in the dollar amount that you're looking to invest. And this goes for every coin, so you don't have to worry about calculating a specific amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or anything like that. And then if we go back to the bottom row here under the prices tab, you can see the hundreds of different coins that are listed on the exchange. And then up on the top left-hand corner where you click tradable, this is where all the coins are listed that you can personally buy and sell directly on this platform. And they also have a list of the top gainers and losers on the day, so they do a pretty good job of keeping it all organized for you. And the last section is under this portfolio button where you can see all of your different balances with all the coins that you're invested in. So it's all right there for you and it's pretty easy to follow. So they make it very easy to buy and sell different coins, but not only do they have one of the most user-friendly interfaces, it's also one of the most trusted exchanges on the market with more than 56 million users in over 100 different countries. For added security, there is also a 2-step verification progress when logging into your device, and they also keep 98% of all their funds offline, where they simply just cannot be hacked into or stolen. And the other 2% that is kept online is completely insured and it's all covered by the company. All right, now when it comes down to actually funding your account, another really good thing about Coinbase is that there are 0 fees when you link your bank account and deposit money through an ACH transfer. And this is the same kind of transfer that happens when you link your account to something like a Venmo or whenever you just receive a direct deposit. The other option here would be to link a debit or credit card, but there are some pretty big fees that are associated with this that are usually around like 4%. So definitely just use the ACH transfer. It's much easier and will save you a ton of money down the line. All right, so when it comes to their fees or just commissions whenever you buy or sell something, like most legit crypto exchanges, there is a 0.5% fee as well as a flat rate of either $1 to $3 depending on your transaction amount. But overall, very solid exchange. Your accounts are FDIC insured. It's easy to use and you can open up an account and start investing pretty quickly. All right, next up we have one that you may or may not have heard of. It's probably not as popular as Coinbase, but it's definitely one of the best options out there. The exchange is called Gemini, which was created by the famous Winklevoss twins. And if you don't know who they are, these were the guys that were caught up in that big Facebook scandal a while back, where they claimed that Zuckerberg stole their idea, which eventually led to them being paid out $65 million, which they then turned into well over $1 billion by investing in Bitcoin. So this exchange is based out of New York City, and like Coinbase, it also has a very beginner-friendly platform. Their mobile app is pretty similar to Coinbase, where the main screen has a chart where you can see all of the crypto options and prices, and then you can easily buy and sell right through the app, either with a one-time payment or with reoccurring buys once you link your account. Now, one of the reasons why Gemini is so popular is because of their highly secure network and great insurance. It is a fully regulated exchange, and they're the first to have an SOC, or a System and Organizations Control Exam 1 and 2 that was conducted by Deloitte, which just gives their users that extra peace of mind that their funds are in good hands. And security is also a huge turning point when it comes to crypto investing because there are a lot of sketchy websites out there that are absolutely not regulated. So knowing that they're backed by a trustworthy company is a big plus. The fee structure here is also comparable to Coinbase, where if you do decide to invest with your debit card or your credit card, which you should not do, you do get hit with a 3.5% fee. But if you want to deposit your money with an ACH transfer or with a wire, then it is completely free. You just have to link your bank account on the site and there's no charge. And then when it comes to their trading fees, you'll be charged a 0.5% convenience fee. And on top of that, there is an additional flat rate of $1 to $3, once again, just depending on your transaction amount. So personally, I would rather just pay the small fee and know that my money is in a good spot rather than go out looking for some random exchange that I've never even heard of just because they have lower commissions. Okay, so the last exchange that we're gonna be talking about is Binance, and this is a great option for those who are outside of the US. So I'll quickly go over this one, but they're one of the largest global exchanges with over 200 available coins to trade. And one of the cool parts about Binance is that they have a very simple app that you can use on your phone, and then they also have a pretty advanced trading platform that you can use on their website. But for the app, you can see that all of the available coins are right in front of you, and then you can quickly just buy and sell them by clicking on the yellow button on the bottom here. Select what you want to buy and then go ahead and plug in the amount that you want to invest. But for their more advanced trading program, it's kind of like something you would see with a traditional stock brokerage like TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform. And if you head to their website, you can see the more advanced charting tools where you can add different things like indicators, volume bars, detailed watch list, and you can even directly buy and sell right on the website if you go down to this bottom area here. So if you're looking for a more advanced platform outside of the US, this is a pretty good option. Now, when it comes to their trading fees, they're actually one of the better options for this. They don't have any fees when you deposit, and their trading standard fees are only 0.1% whenever you buy and sell. So they have very cheap fees and a pretty easy platform to use, which makes it a good option for whoever's outside of the US. All right, so those are my top 3 exchanges for anyone who's looking to start investing. You can use other options, and you can even use things that you might already have like WeBull or Robinhood, but these are just some more secure options compared to those two. So hopefully you guys got some value out of that video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.